Welcome once again to Physiolution, your channel for physical therapy, health and wellness. Today we're doing foot massage, chicken. We're going to do a little massage using my favorite techniques. First of all, comfort. Sitting on a versatile swivel chair gives me the freedom to work from any side depending on my preference. Ensuring patient comfort is of utmost importance. A good towel and the foot should be relaxed. To enhance results, add oil for cooking. Can you please warm it in the microwave for around 50 to 60 seconds? Is that all right with you? We wet our hands and start with the first technique. The first technique is very simple. It's a light touch. It's a way to tell the foot, hey, we're giving you a massage. This gets the circulation going. Let's examine if there are patches that are tough, patches that are delicate, if the foot is agile or not. It's simply about gently gliding your hands over the foot with a lot of care. Using funnel techniques, applying a bit of pressure, but very soft, very soft, very soft, very soft, very soft. As previously mentioned, we can examine the flexibility of each individual toe, as well as the ankle, heel, sole. These movements allow us to identify any variations in stiffness between the toes to start that first massage of superficial touch. Next, we'll use the second technique. Let's apply a gentle amount of pinching in order to increase the pressure. To pinch, just watch as I grip and exert upward force. I grab and push up, propelling myself higher. We could use this technique to ascend by grabbing and pushing up. This is a stronger pumping technique we'll perform. To enhance blood flow and stimulate circulation more effectively, we gently squeeze. We pinch and pump upwards, exerting pressure as we move our fingers in an upward motion. Depending on whether I want to prioritize the top or the sole, I adjust my position accordingly. As you can observe, I shift my position to emphasize either aspect. You have the option to do this for a duration of 1, 2, or 3 minutes. I will demonstrate 10 distinct techniques for providing you with a 20-minute foot massage experience. It is truly exceptional. Next technique, the heels are extremely important. Notice how simple this exercise is where we perform a pinch. We apply the lotion to the left and right sides of the heel and firmly grasp the foot for a brief moment and create a circular motion on the back of the foot. The heels have been meticulously crafted. From walking, standing and exercising, we don't give ourselves affection. This massage, as I say, pleases my patients daily in the clinic. Once we have completed the action for 30 seconds in one direction, we are able to alternate the direction and do it the other way. One alternative way to perform the heel massage is by using a finger on one side and a hand on the other while holding both toes simultaneously. And generate that massage, we are working on the foot, ensuring that both sides are attended to. Circles inside, circle, out. One of my secret techniques that patients appreciate the most when I teach it is the following. Look, we're going to grab with these 2 fingers, 3 fingers, the toes. Next, we will create 3 vector lines as an exercise. This task totals 91 characters. Circle, 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 circle. Circle, circle, circle. Circle, circle, circle. And finally, we arrive at the finish line. Once we have completed this, we will proceed onwards, making a pass. And we perform those 3 vector lines. Those 3 vectors. Applying some pressure and circle. Pressure and circle. Pressure and circle. And we conclude with a pass. Hold on to it firmly, even with your little finger, without causing any pain. An unusual notion has emerged, urging restraint. Pay attention to the foot, quite literally. Listen carefully. Let's see if it allows you or not. And the last line would be to work on the exterior, the 3rd line, until you get to this bony border and make. If you increase your speed, You can perform this movement multiple times, which is highly effective for alleviating pressure in the ankle. Consider it a valuable technique. Massaging the feet enhances blood circulation, contributing to reduced swelling, alleviating fatigue, and improving the oxygenation of tissues, leading to overall well-being. Massages are known for their ability to provide relief from foot pain caused by various conditions, including plantar fasciitis and heel spurs. Additionally, by relaxing the foot muscles, it can relieve tension that radiates to other parts of the body. Another of my secret techniques is the finger carousel, a technique that has earned me a "Oh, what amazing hands you have." Well, receiving a foot massage is an absolute delight that brings immense pleasure. Let us clasp our hand tightly and replicate the movement I am demonstrating, and we'll accompany with a wrist rotation movement while we are making that movement. Take a glimpse at this incredible wonder. Our gaze swiftly travels across every muscle and halts at these toes above mentioned, so we can keep the foot from moving away, all right? We will work from the heel to the toes. We don't work on the toes because they tend to slip away, okay? Because of the pressure. We'll use this technique for 1, 2, or 3 minutes to demonstrate its effectiveness. In the next technique, we will perform circular and longitudinal techniques to target the muscles. Additionally, we will make several perpendicular passes to further enhance the treatment. It's that simple. Grab the foot and try to open it. Grab the foot and want to open it. Notice I hold with my fingers and pull outward. I hold with my fingers and pull outward. Very gently, all right? It's crucial not to use ballistic techniques. It's not this, okay? But rather working from a toe and moving outward with a stop. At the base of the larger toes is where we will generate the necessary leverage. In our next massage session, we will pay special attention to the often neglected muscles between your toes, which endure a great deal of strain and rarely receive the care they deserve. We will work with our first finger on the back, moving over the top. With our second and third fingers, we will slide between the fingers, generating a pinching effect. Then I would pinch and draw. I will pinch and pull between the second and third fingers. I would pinch and tug between the third and fourth fingers. I would pinch and I would toss about 4 or 5 objects. Perform 2 or 3 rounds. I will collect them at a later time. Remain calm. One finger works from above, another from below. We listen to the patient, ensuring they don't writhe in pain. And we keep pulling in the path of the fingers, focusing on the muscles between the fingers. We will end with the third and fourth fingers, and between the fourth and the fifth. This exercise is great for working the lumbricals. An exercise that is very useful for decompressing the joint of the finger itself. It's as simple as grabbing the finger and pulling in the direction of the finger itself. We gently tug on the big toe. We grasp the second toe and pull gently, softly. We grasp the third toe and pull gently, softly. Fourth toe. We carefully grasp and slowly pull, allowing the fifth toe to assume a more forward position. We then continue to grasp and pull softly. There are numerous ways to do this exercise. Let me demonstrate. It requires holding, so I'll pause for a while. Trust me and observe carefully. Yanking, grabbing, and tugging on the fifth. Yanking out on the second. Softly. Ceasing, stretching, the fourth. Holding, stretching, and finishing with the third. We will repeat this at least 2 or 3 rounds. This simple yet effective exercise helps relieve the sole of your foot. However, caution is advised when performing it as it involves using a fist technique. And it's as simple as blocking the movement with this palm. And generating mobility can be improved by using 4 massage lines with the appearance of 4 massage vectors starting from the heel to truly the ends. From the heel, we exert pressure, we hold. And we start from the toes. The other day someone asked me, is this hand needed? Yes, because if we do this, see what happens. The foot yields and travels in every direction. Therefore, our task is to offer assistance. One hand goes in from the top and underneath, generating a tremendously powerful pump. We can even repeat it by going up and down. So that wraps up my secret techniques for foot massage. Would you be interested in getting a massage in another area? Do you have any special massage techniques you'd like to share? Feel free to leave a comment. And as we always say, to healing and beyond. Bye bye, bye bye.